Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to call a stored procedure with input parameter but no output parameter. So I have a stored procedure called as get employees by department ID. Now I'll be passing department ID as input parameter and I should get the employees belonging to that particular department. Now I'll just right click on the employee table and say show table data. So I have the employees belonging to two departments as of now, 100 and 101. Now, how do I add this stored procedure? The same process. Simply right click and say update model from database. And I'll go for the stored procedure and I'll select get employees by department ID and I'll say finish. Save this. Go back to your model browser. Explore stored procedures folder from storage model. Double click on this stored procedure and say get column information. It is going to give you the information. Then I'll say create complex type. Now it has created a type called as sp underscore get employees by department ID underscore result. So I'll say okay. The process of adding stored procedure to the model is also called as adding function import. We are importing a function. Now if I explore this complex type, you should see one more type. That is nothing but your get employees by department ID. Now I'll save this. Now I got another function that is sp underscore get employees by department ID and it is going to return me the collection of sp underscore get employees by department ID underscore result. If I call sp underscore get all employees, it is going to give me the list of this complex type. And if I'm going to call sp underscore get employees by department ID, it is going to return me the list of this complex type. Now I'm going to call this method or stored procedure. The process is same. Simply I need to say instead of get all employees, I'll say OE dot get employees by department ID and the input parameter I can pass as department ID integer type. So I'll pass department ID as 100 or I can read it from any control that I have on the form and I'll say dot to list. That's it. If you have multiple input parameters, you can pass them with the help of comma. Save this and execute. Now I should get the result of employees belonging to department 100. So this is very simple. If I want to get the information about the employees who belongs to department 101, I need to pass the parameter as 101. That's it. So this is all about calling a stored procedure with input parameters. Now in our next video we will see how to call a stored procedure with input as well as output parameters and how to read the output result into the variables. That is nothing but your output parameters. So thank you very much.